Captivator's SIP project water treatment plant. So we'll start with the problem we are facing. Basically, in our day-to-day life, as per present scenario, most of the towns in our country are facing water scarcity problem, and it affects the agriculture occupation of the laborers who are working here, and it also causes pollution as the sewage water is dumped into the water resources, natural water resources. So what are the solution for these problems? The main solution is setting up water treatment plant which will purify the water, and we can use it anytime, anywhere, like in our agriculture purposes also, and as well as in domestic purpose also. And next is what is water treatment plant? So basically, water treatment plant is a mechanism to purify the water, sewage water, to purified water, which can be stored and used for further purposes in agriculture and domestic purpose. We can also include a biogas setup from the waste which we retrieve from the water treatment plant. And the magic is that the wastewater can be used again and again, and we don't need to rely on the rainwater only for irrigation and other purposes. We can also, the biogas which is included in this water treatment plant will provide us fuel for cooking and other purposes. Targeting market. As we all know that water is essential for agriculture. So the production will be more in agriculture fields, and we can cultivate crops throughout the year, which will provide occupation to the laborers throughout the year, and they will not have to face the problems they are facing now of unemployment. These water can also be used for fisheries and other purposes. The main initiative for distribution is through social awareness. And social awareness is the main key through which we can introduce this project in everyone's day-to-day life. So our key partnership, the main key partners is the government, which will initiate this project to the farmers and other people, like in schools, in colleges, where water can be used for gardening and other purposes, like in for domestic purposes in washrooms and all. In this competitive world, our main goal shall be to convey to people how efficient and eco-friendly this project is. We have spent nearly 3 months to interview the concerned people and get their problems and what solution we can make from that. Further, if we have any queries related to our project, we will approach them again in future. So all data regarding this project is collected within September 2020, and we'll prepare the prototype within December of this year, and testing of the feasibility